Good morning, pack leaders. This is Hina, friends and protecting families, protecting the pack. I want to give you guys an update. I just noticed this morning that the tuner has switched positions, so I want to give you that to you guys so that you can take advantage of the current situation. So it went ahead and started shorting around 6 o'clock in the morning. It made some profit already, and it's currently in another short position and currently at 3.8%. So I think we made another 100 something dollars on this one from yesterday, I guess. But anyways, I want to get the settings to you, see what helps. So yesterday's long position is probably no longer valid. Pause the video if you need to, take everything as is, and we'll see how it goes. If it does switch position again and give me a new setting, I will update you guys. Now, if you guys want access to Tuna so you get the latest, greatest settings every single hour as it updates, you can get access to the auto tuner in the description below. So let me just kind of go through this one again. Make sure you copy everything as is, even the settings, the safeties, templates, and everything else, okay? And this map signal. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully it's helped you better yourself in your Mad Hatter trading, and the link is in the description below. Thanks.